Hello guys, what is up? Welcome back to another video on the Altcoin Crypto channel. So today we are gonna talk about Cardano and its price prediction in the coming days. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as I make videos daily on the latest and best altcoins and the crypto world. Now let's dive into the video. Is Cardano in accumulation phase? ADA price can see massive gains with these major updates. The latest crypto crash, titled Bitcoin's worst dip ever, sent Bitcoin and the majority of altcoins plummeting. It's fair to say that Cardano price has had an explosive month in May. In April, ADA like Bitcoin set a new all-time high. However, a month later, as Bitcoin struggled to hold on its gains, the ADA price surpassed its previous all-time high of 1.56. Now let's have a look on the coin market cap of Cardano. It is currently trading at $1.57. It is up by 8.5% in the last hour, with a low of $1.41 and high of $1.65. Cardano is currently ranked 5 on the coin market cap. Cardano can emerge as winner after this ongoing market correction. Benjamin Cowen, a well-known crypto analyst, recently examined the price action of ADA. The crypto analyst discussed Cardano's ADA's price movement. The fourth largest cryptocurrency future is explained by Cowen, as during the bull market, he expects the altcoin's USD value to rise. He says that from March 13, 2020, it is the normalized return on investment of ADA and many other cryptocurrencies. Now, this may seem to punish those who didn't crash as hard, but it also highlights those who have had a higher ROI since the crash on daily basis. As we can see, ADA has been in the lead for quite some time. It's a racehorse after all. Out of the coins he has been monitoring, it was in first place here July 2020. For a while, February 2021, it was first place. VeChain, that is VET, dumped even harder, and ADA has so far regained the lead. Cowen seems to be monitoring ADA's current performance amidst the ongoing market correction and says that ADA is bound to stay above key levels to stay in the race. Now, if you are curious, the 20-week SMA now corresponds to 1.08 and 21-week EMA corresponds to $1.12. So that would be the bull market support band. Cowen says Cardano is showing signs of strength against Bitcoin as the rest of the altcoin market succumbs to the sell-off. ADA is one of the few coins that is holding up against Bitcoin fairly well. Many coins have suffered large losses as compared to ADA. It is actually down about 22% against Bitcoin as you say, but other coins were down more than 20%. Going to be skeptical that ADA can put in a new all-time high until Bitcoin figures out what it's doing, because with this type of instability in market with Bitcoin, it is going to make it very challenging to resume. Cardano in the short term for it to put in decisively a new all-time high and go to likely $2.5. Why a new all-time high seems inevitable for Cardano, corrections or not. It has been a wild couple of weeks for the crypto industry. Multiple assets reached a point of decline, eradicating monthly gains for a brief moment. While the chart in the short term did look tragic, it is important to analyze the market over a longer time frame. While ADA was one of the top assets to register corrections worth over 42%, smart contracts may take Cardano's value to new levels. Market drawdowns have hazed the industry's vision over the past week, but it is imperative to be updated with what is next for Cardano. In a recent interview, Charles Hoskinson's IOHK founder suggested that the development for Alonzo hard fork is moving according to plan and a testnet will be incorporated by summer. The Alonzo hard fork would be introducing smart contracts on ADA's platform, which would eventually open the doors for NFT marketplaces, DEX, stablecoins, and oracles. Will the asset reach its all-time high again? Yes, but it is not exactly time-bound to retest its top within the next few weeks. From a market perspective, price will tend to move up and down due to volatility. However, the long-term growth of ADA, both price and development wise, will be rigid, and investors should focus on both sides rather than fixating on one aspect. So guys, this was all the information for ADA Cardano. I hope you liked the video and make sure to hit the subscribe button and support my channel. Thank you everyone.